guys, it is Thursday, July 1st, which is Canada Day in Canada, so happy birthday Canada. I am heading out from the Spring Motel just outside of Sainte-Anne-de-Beaupre. Like I said last night the other night on the closing comments, definitely come and stay here. It's very well worth it. So Carol, the lady that runs the place, is very, very nice. I don't know if she runs it, but she just introduced me to her father-in-law. So anyways, I tend to ramble. So anyways, guys, I am heading out. If you are new to the channel, my name is Dean, and I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I do have a Patreon that really is the best way you could help support the channel if you wanted to. There will be a link in the description below. So it's gonna be a good day, guys. I'll talk to you in a bit. Cheers. So we're coming up to Sainte-Anne-de-Beaupre Church, pretty famous church. Cyclorama de Jerusalem. The heck is that? What is that place supposed to be? Is it like a velodrome or something? I don't know. It's pretty, no, I don't know. Maybe it's not new. I'm gonna have to look into that. Well, let's get up in here and get a shot of the church. A couple shots. Pretty impressive, eh guys? Religious or not, it's an impressive piece of architecture. GoPro turn on. Alright guys, we're just at Sainte-Anne-de-Beaupre, and obviously a pretty sweet church. I hope you can hear me over the sound of that waterfall, but yeah, that's pretty amazing, guys. If you're here, you got to check it out. Like I said, religious or not, it's just a really awesome building. A lot of history. See if I can rustle up some historic facts about it for you, which I'm sure I can. So yeah. I'm not going to go inside. Too bad it's not a nicer day, but sometimes that cloud is good for better perspective. So that's pretty awesome. I was thinking of throwing the drone up, but there's a lot of people around. It's Canada Day, and it's very windy, so I wouldn't want to have it crash and fall on somebody. Pretty awesome.
Come on, don't be late. We're leaving like yesterday.
Saint-Joachim, Quebec. All right, guys, we are on just outside of the Cap-This Wildlife Preserve, I do believe. As you can see right here, I'm really not liking to go into this uncut grass because I don't know if I remember to tell everybody, but I found a tick on my left side, like right on my ribs. Oh man, it must have been a week ago now. I forget exactly where that was. I think somewhere near Laval. I do believe I picked it up. But anyways, I'm not sure. I don't think it was there too long, but I had to take it out. I got it all out, but my side was sore for a few days. So I'm a little leery, but I just wanted to show you the no hiking in here. None of that stuff. I don't know if I showed you that. But. So yeah, I mean, it's a wildlife preserve. It's a wildlife area, sorry. I would actually like to see more of those in Canada, and I would be more than happy to not go in them if that's the case. So anyways, I came up here because I wanted to see if I could do this one section of trail, Trans-Canada Trail, that runs along the St. Lawrence, but the map says it's for hiking and cross-country skiing and stuff in the winter. And I've had 3 people now tell me that it's not a good idea on a bike, especially loaded up like mine is. And it rained a lot lately, so it's a hiking trail, so it would be probably a slog. So I've learned my lesson already on this trip many times. Not the first time, second, third. I don't know how many times it took me, but I'm starting to learn that local advice is key. And if the Trans-Canada Trail says it, yeah, because there's some stuff where they've said it's too hard to do, and I've gone through it and I'm like saying that you have to be an expert cyclist to do it. And there's some things I question, and I just think they're trying to cover their butts, right? They don't want to put anybody in a perilous situation and have them come back at them and be like, what are you talking about, you know? So anyways, I have to turn back around and I'm going to head back over in towards St. Joachim, and I'm going to have to go up 138 here. So yeah, just as I thought, it is insanely beautiful, but I had to get off my bike. I didn't have a choice. My chain needs lube so bad. Just felt like I was gonna break it if I kept going. It's not good to sweat this much. Get dehydrated real fast. Whew. Sacre bleu. Anyways, guys, I just got done dealing with this little route to Carriers or something. It's all uphill, nutty. You'll see some of it. But I thought I'd show you this because it's gonna be a day of climbing from what everybody's told me. We'll climb up here, and then I think we're gonna drop down for a bit, and then it'll be climbing again. So I don't know how far we're gonna get, but I don't know. I'm just gonna take my time. I'm gonna have to camp tonight anyways. I'd rather not pay for it if I don't have to. So if I see something once I've gone about 60K, then I'll take it, and from there on I'll just start looking. So anyways, I just wanted to check in with you. We're about to hit 138, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's going up that way. So I'll get back with you guys in a bit. I'm gonna have to keep the cameras in my rain jacket just to save them from getting totally swamped. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Cheers.
I see gold in the air, us in the streams, the seed love in our hearts, the futures in our dreams. It's a tunnel kind of vision, like alcohol's involved. And I'll stray like a hound dog, but I'ma come back when she calls. When she calls, I'll come to her. When she calls, I'll come to her. I had a dream last night, shaking like a soldier in my shoes. I had a dream, you were a laser light, burning down the city in my blues. I owe it all to you. I owe it all to you. I do. I owe it all to you. She got ash on the dress and the devil in her eyes. West Texas disposition and the temperature's like mine. It's a tunnel kind of vision, like alcohol's involved. And I'll stray like a hound dog, and I'ma come back when she calls. When she calls, I'll come to her. When she calls, I'll come to her. When she calls.
All right, everyone. It is the end of the day, Thursday, July 1st. I am just at the Auberge du Sportif in, oh man, I'm not good at this one. So what was it? I'll put it on the bottom of the screen. Sainte-Anne's des-Caps, I believe it was. So this is the front of the building. There is rooms in this main building here. I'm not going to go inside right now because it's starting to get later in the day. It's usually pretty quiet in these places. But up in there is a common place. There's a kitchen for everybody to use, all that stuff. And then around the side, there are rooms up there too. They're all individual rooms. And then around the back here, you can see is the smaller rooms. My neighbor has the Triumph motorcycle there, and I'm in the room number 10. So Luke that runs the place is a super good guy. Yeah, so I'm right off Highway 138. Pretty rough day. I didn't go very far. I probably only rode about, altogether with kind of touring around, probably about 45-50K, but some really intense climbing. I didn't get to film a ton of it because it wasn't like really pouring. It was more just a mist than anything. So anyways, guys, happy birthday Canada, July 1st, Canada Day. I hope everyone's doing great. If you're just joining the channel, if this is one of your first videos, my name is Dean. My goal is to get to St. John's, Newfoundland, and then many other adventures after that. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you hit that like button. And check out my Patreon page, guys, if you want to try and support the channel in any way. It is by far the best way you can support it. So two different tier levels. One's $3, one is $5. Sorry, I thought I heard someone come up behind me. So think about the $3 one. For the price of a coffee, basically, you can really help the channel out a lot. You know, you get enough people and that $3 really turns into something that can help me with my equipment, travel costs, stuff like that. I'm not a rich man. I'm a bicycle mechanic by trade the last many years. So not a lot of money made there. The main benefit is working in the business and getting discount on parts, right? So anyways, guys, good day all in all, really, all things considered. Worked out great with the Trail Magic once again. Way more Trail Magic this year than I received all of last year. So I hope you guys are doing great, and I will see you in the morning, guys. I hope you're all getting out there and doing something you love. So make it happen, guys. I'm trying to do it, and I don't see why you all can't do it either. So talk to you guys in the morning. Cheers.
Savor the taste, coming on late. I let my dream go past you. taking my time, thinking